Okay, so our X, what is X? X is the number of component that are working out of 20, right? Okay, so what is the probability of success? That means probability of a component working in a year. Is it in a year?
Yes.
So what is the probability that a component is working in a year?
0.85.
0.85. So X will be a binomial distribution. N is 20. Probability of success is 0.85. So every time when you read a question, you have to have this idea. Okay, so now part A. They say find the probability that the hot water unit will fail within 1 year. Probability the hot water unit.
So isn't PR the success, but 0.85 is failure?
Huh? Yes?
0.85 is failure, right?
They said the probability that an individual solar component will fail in a year is 0.85 will fail. So what should I write there?
So then in PR, a component working is 0.1 minus 0.85.
So I'm wrong now? So because 0.85 will fail. Yeah, you're right. The probability that an individual solar panel will fail in a year is 0.85. So I'm saying working, correct? So that means, so depend on how you define your X. So I can define my X as that one. So in here, I say a component working in a year. So I put 1 minus 0.85. You are right. So I got 0.15. So I'm wrong just now. Okay. So 0.15. Thank you. Hot water unit will fail within a year. Okay, will fail within a year, that means none of the component are working, correct? It's working. Am I right? So I'm talking about, I'm looking for probability X equal to 0. Because as long as there's one work, then the whole thing is working. Am I right? Hello?
Yes.
So depend on how you define your x. So in this question is how you define, and you have to be very careful here. So what is your answer? So what do you use? Stephanie, what do you use? Binom PDF or Binom CDF?
Binom PDF.
Yes, you are right. Okay, so just key into your calculator, Binom PDF. Okay, open 20, 0.15, and here 0. Okay, so what is your answer?
0.0387595.
0.03875 something, okay? So approximately 0.0388. Yep. So the way you define your x is very important. Understand or not? Okay, then the number that you see there, you have to be very careful because 0.85 is failed. So I want working. So 1 minus 0.85. See or not? Okay, now B. Find the smallest number of solar component required to ensure that a hot water service like this one is operating at the end of 1 year with the probability of at least 0.98. So what does that mean? Operating. So probability of operating. Okay, must be greater than or equal to 0.98. So which means that the probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Am I right? Because they say in order to operate, at least one of the component must be working. Am I right? Must be greater than or equal to 0.98. Yep. So now, how are we going to do this? Now the question is find the smallest number of solar panel. That means now my x is a binomial distribution. If you don't want to use x, you can use y, okay? X, the n is something that I don't know. The probability of working is still the same. So now, how am I going to do this? So you see, when you look at when n equal to 20, the probability of working is equal to 1 minus 0.0388, correct? So this one will give us the value of 0.9712. Still less than 0.98, correct? So now what we can do is we use try and error. So how are we going to use try and error? So you use try and error. Okay, now, how many components are you going to put? More than 20 or less than 20? More than 20 or less than 20? Yeah. Wing Shen?
More than 20.
Okay, more than 20. Wing Shen, give Miss Do a number.
23.
Okay, so now we are going to try with n equal to 23. Okay, so now I'm going to find the probability of x equal to 0. Okay, so then I find the probability of x greater than or equal to 1. 1 minus whatever you have there. Okay, great. Now you use your n equal to 23. Just now, whatever you have, correct? You can just put second.
It's 0.024.
0.024. I think I better do it by myself, okay? Binom PDF. Yeah, 23, 0.15, and 0, okay. 0.0238. Okay, so 1 minus 0.0238. So I get okay, I still don't get the answer that I want, correct? Okay, so it's still less than 0.98. Yeah, so now you try another one. Okay, what number do you want to try? You can
24.
increase slowly. Okay, 24. You go ahead with 24. Okay, you can straight away write down 1 minus, you just key into your calculator and you get the answer. You change to 24. So you get 0.02023. Yeah. Then you take away 1. Okay. Do you get the answer? So this one will be 0.97. Okay, still haven't reached, correct? 97977. Okay, still haven't reached 98. Okay, so now you try another one. N equal to 25. So you look for the answer. 1 minus. So you try until you get the answer. So is that the smallest? Then you, yeah, 25. So you got 0.017197. Okay. Answer minus 1. So you got this 0.9828, which is greater than 0.98. So this is the smallest number. So you get the answer. So this is what we call in binomial distribution. If you don't know the n, you don't know the r, you got the calculator, you can use try and error. So therefore, the smallest number of solar component required is 25. Are you okay? That is the only way. Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think I can use solver to help me to do? Okay, you go and find out, see whether you can use solver to help you to do or not. Huh? Okay. Got it? Done, huh? Okay, so listen here. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw the column graph or the what we call the spike diagram for a given binomial distribution. Can or not? Shall we?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So for example, I'm not going to give you a scenario. I got X as a binomial distribution. The N is 5 and the probability of success is 0. Okay, 0.3 for example. Okay, now I want you to draw the column graph. Like for example, 0, okay, the column graph like that. Yeah. Or the spike diagram. Okay, this is called column graph. Yeah, or the spike diagram means I got 0, I draw the line, then 1, and so on. So I'm going to teach you how to use your GC to do, right? Okay, take out your GC. First, you have to build the probability distribution table. Do you know how to build using your graphic calculator? So if I write like that, do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, can everyone? I believe everyone know what to do already, correct? So have you key in? So you press stack, edit, yeah, key in the first column. You clear whatever you have in your first column and second column first. Okay, key in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Then bring the cursor to L2. Okay, put second vase, select binom PDF. The number of trials, key in 5. Probability of success, P, key in 0.3. X value, key in L1. Paste. Cursor put at paste, then put enter. Then underneath here, the L2 will come out, correct? Then you have the thing. Then you press enter. So all the reading will come out. Am I right? You have 0.16807. Then you copy the whole thing there. Then 0.00243, the last one. Am I right? Everyone got that? So if you need to build, you just copy down whatever you have there to 3 significant figure into your, that one. Okay, now, can I? Any issue on that? Can someone respond? Okay, no, so everyone know what to do. So now second step,
Muting.
what YouTube?
No, I just have to
Listen.
keep unmuting, then mute again, then mute again.
Okay, second step, after you have done this, what you need to do, you always remember to quit from there. So second mode, so that you won't get into trouble. Okay, are you done? Have you done with your second mode? Okay, someone cannot get L2. So make sure your cursor put at L2. Is your cursor at L2? Okay, after your cursor at L2, you press this second vase. Okay, you press second vase, then you scroll down, you select binom PDF. Okay, you select binom PDF, so they will come out trials. You key in 5. P, trials means your N. Okay, P, this is your P, 0.3. Your X value is all the value in your L1. So this one you key in L1. Then your cursor will come to paste. Then you put enter. The moment you press enter, the thing will come out here like that. Binom PDF. Then everything will be there. 5, 0.3, L1. After this, you press the button, enter. Then all this will come out. Do you get that? Hello?
Yes, miss.
I got that.
Okay. Okay, done. So please finish that. Please do this. Second step. I want to get into third step already. Okay, third step,
When I try to enter into L2, I get system error.
What is your problem?
When I try to enter the binomial 5, 0.3, then L1 into L2, right? I just get an error.
Is your cursor at the name of the column L2 or is here? You have to be very careful with that. The cursor must be at the name of the column. When you want to do all this, you see how well you all can follow instruction. Too much MTV already. That's why listening skill very poor. Still got error?
Hi, is it I?
Can I know what sort of error is that?
Wait. Is it supposed to be on the name or what?
I tell you, you all,
It's fine.
Okay, when I say the cursor must be at the name of the title, it means this. I'm going to take a photo and show it to you.
Never mind, I got it.
Huh? You got it already?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, done? Everyone, okay? Okay, third step. You quit from there already. Third step. Put second. Press the button second. Then press this button, Y equal to. So can someone tell me what appear on your screen? Can someone tell me what appear on your
Stat
screen?
plots.
Yeah, stack plot. Yes, you have this. Okay, so now you select number 1. The cursor is at number 1, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, then you put enter. Okay, put enter. After you put enter, then a lot of things come out, correct? The cursor will be at on. So is that on? You want to on the plot 1, correct? So after the cursor is at on, you put enter again. Okay, then you scroll down to type. You use this button to scroll down to type. Okay, so the second one, under the type, you select the first one. Okay, it's the first one, that means you are plotting the point, the first one. Okay, second one is the line graph, but histogram. We are not going to plot histogram. Yeah. Okay, then after that you use this cursor again, this one, to bring it down. Is your X list in L1. This is your X list in L1. Okay, your Y list in L2, correct? Okay, so you have your X list. If it's in different column, then you type in the name of the column that you are talking about. Okay, so ours is in L1 and L2. If yours is in L3, you type out L3. So how the way you want to mark it? For me, I prefer to select this one. So you can move around, you select that. Then you select your own color. Whatever color you like. You like black, you put black. You like red, you put red. Done? Finish with that? So these are your selection. Okay, finish already. Then we are going to, after that, you go to zoom. You press this button, zoom. Okay, zoom. You have zoom. Yeah, zoom. You scroll down. There is a zoom stack. Do you see zoom stack number 9?
Yes.
Okay, you select zoom stack. Okay, select that already. You put enter. When I say select, means you have to put enter. Oh, okay. I have nothing inside. That's why. Okay, so in your graphic calculator, it will come out with the graph like that, with the point. Do you have the point? Then you can move your cursor around. Then they can tell you the value. So you just copy onto your book. Yeah. Can you please? I have to go and change mine. Okay, transfer the graph into your book. 5, 0.3, L1. Okay, so you can move the point around. They will tell you the value. Okay, I go to value. Okay, 0. Okay, when X equal to 0, okay, so you have this. So you draw the spike diagram. This is called spike diagram. If you want to draw column, it will be column. And this one is 0.16. Yeah. So then the next one, the cursor can go, okay, 1, 2, 3. This one is 3, 6. So it's up here. So that is your 1. Then your 2, 0.3. So this is your 2. Then your 3 is 0.13. And here, 4 is 0.02. Then 5 is practically on the line. All right? So, can or not? Hello? So, do you know how to do it? Okay, huh? So you look at here. What is the mean for this one? Okay, can you go to your calculator, get the mean, median, and mode? Okay, the mode definitely is 1. The mean, okay, according to binomial, the mean is NP, am I right? So N is 5 times 0.3, so you get 1.5. Okay, median. Where is the location of the 50%? Okay, or you can just go to 1. You can just go to vast. You can go to stack. You go to calculate 1 vast stack. Yeah, then you can get the answer. Okay, what is the median? Median is 1. Is it? So the
Yeah, it's
median
1.
is 1. So if mean more than the median, that means this distribution is skewed what? Skew what? Skew right or left? Right or
Right.
left? Right. Yeah, right skew. The higher number is very few. It pull the mean to the right. So we say skew right. Okay, we want to see how P will affect the distribution, okay? So everyone know how to plot already, huh? So now, okay, so we have 3 situations. Just now our X is binomial distribution 5, 0.3. This one you plot already. So you got your graph like that. Okay, I use different color. But exam, please don't use red, huh? 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5 practically here, correct? So this is for X. So now, can you please do the same and try to plot the binomial distribution with the probability of success is 0.5. Then another one, okay, I call this X1, this one X2, this one variable X3. Okay, it's a binomial distribution 5, and the probability of success is more than 5, more than 0.5. Okay, we get 0.8. See how is it go? Okay, can you please use your calculator, go to stack, repeatedly do that. What you need to do is you just need to edit your column 2. You clear, then you repeat again. Okay, for this one, the table you will find that Your L1, L2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you look at this one, you have 0.03125. And 5 also got 0.03125. Am I right? So that means you look at here, this is symmetrical. Am I right? You look at the table of value, you know already. What you can do is you can straight away go to Zoom stack. Because your plot 1 is on. So you got 0, then your 1, your 2, your 3, your 4, and your 5 here. So this is how your spike diagram going to look like. So indirectly, this is called symmetrical. Okay, I don't know what is something wrong there. Okay. Silvana,
Yes, Mr.
can you please make sure all the others, Y1, all these are not highlighted, the equal sign.
Okay.
Can you please go and clear all your Y1 and Y2?
Okay, Mr.
Clear everything there. Only plot 1 is highlighted. Okay, so the mean for this one, according to our formula, mean is NP, which is 5 times 0.5, which is 2.5. The median will be the same as well if you go and calculate because it is symmetrical. Okay, so this is the mode is also 2.5. Yeah, because this is symmetrical. So when the P is 0.5 is symmetrical. When the P is less than 0.3, the graph will, the shape will skew right. That is positively skewed. Okay, if more than 0.8, so most of the data is moved to the right, so less, so we call this skew left. Okay, can you please do that? You just need to clear your L2, the same thing. Yes. Why did my L1, what is your problem with your L1?
I don't know why I can't find the table again.
Okay,
Like-
then you have no choice. You put second. Anyone cannot find the table again. What you need to do is you put second
Okay.
plus 7, 1, 2. You just continue to do that. Clear everything, start all over again.
All right.
Or if not, if really something not right, you just show it to me, then I will teach you how to do another one. Like mine also got something wrong, then I try lah. You just try. So if you want to reset your calculator, this is the way.
To get the table is second list, right? To get the L1, L2.
No, you have to press stack edit.
Oh yeah,
Stack
sorry.
edit. Yeah, stack edit, please.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So the table that you have will be some sort like this. L1, 0, and 5 here. Okay, your L2, the first one is 3.2 times 10 to the power -4, very small. Okay. Then it increased. Then you got the last one, 0.3276. This one is 0. When it's 4, is 0.4096. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the graph, it go like that. So it's some sort of like skewed right, skewed left, positively skewed. Okay, the mean is NP 5 times 0.8. I got 4. Okay, the median, I think the median is bigger. The median is also 4. Is it? I think the median is also 4. Now you know. I asked you to try to use your. Okay. So you got that. Yeah. Okay. So for binomial distribution, correct? You look at the p-value, you will know how the distribution like, whether it's skewed left or skewed right, or whether it's symmetrical. So that one, you have to remember and judge, okay? So the formula, are you okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is how you use your graphic calculator. Okay. Hello? So can I discuss one of the question in exercise 7G with you? Okay, do you have any test after this? No, It's our lunchtime, okay? I think so. Okay, can you please turn to page 216? Yeah. Okay, can we talk about question 6? Okay, this exercise is based on any given binomial distribution. Okay, the mean, expected number, the mean, we call the mean. How you calculate? You take n times p. Okay, the standard deviation, you took square root of np and 1 minus p. So this is the formula you must have. Okay, we are not going to use our GC key in everything. Okay, so now a new drug has a 75% probability of curing a patient within 1 week. Suppose 38 patients are treated using this drug. Okay, so I'm not going to explain one by one. So our N is 38, am I right? Okay, let X is defined it. Let X be the number of patients who are cured. So probability of cure is 0.75. Okay, so we want to find the mean. So how many patients I expect to be cured within a week out of the 38? So 38 hello? 38 times 0.75. So what is the answer?
88.5, but you
Huh?
can't use
38
28.5.
times 0.75. Okay, 28.5. So for mean, it doesn't matter. You expect this number. Okay, it doesn't matter whether it's a whole number or not. Okay, now, how to find the standard deviation? Square root of n p q. 1 minus p is 0.25. Okay, can you please use your calculator? Okay, you get 2.669. 269, so approximately 2.67. Okay, done? Okay, huh?
Done.
Okay, let's talk about part B. Okay, I just want to let you know part B actually they are asking you to find probability. Okay, probability that the number are cured is within one standard deviation away from mean. So this is the meaning of the equation there. Are you clear? So next time, if we say one standard deviation away from mean, you minus one standard deviation. If they say two standard deviation away from mean, you minus two standard deviation. Do you get me? So in exam, I will not give you, I will give you this. Okay? So that means you have to see your x is the mean minus one standard deviation. And the other upper end is the mean plus one standard deviation. You get me? Okay. So can you please calculate 28.5 minus 2.67? I got 25.83. I got 31.17. But we have to remember that x must take whole number, correct? So look, 25 is here, 26 is here, 31 is here, 32 is here. So it must be from here to here. That is 25.83 to 31.17. So you tell me, if I use the whole number, so my x must be greater than or equal to 25 or 26.
26. Jesus.
Yeah, I have to take this one, 26. All right. So I put 26 here. Then upper one, take 31. Do you get me? Okay. So how am I going to use my calculator to help me to count? So I'm going to use binom CDF 38 0.75. Okay, here what should I put? Take away binom CDF 38 0.75, and what must I put down here? Okay, for the first one, what must I put down? Ethan? This one, what must I put down here, Ethan?
31.
31, good. Then how about here? 26 or 25? This is what you want. Always remember, when I said binom CDF and I put 31 here, that means I go 0 right up to 31. So I have to take away 0 right up to, Ethan, 25 or 26?
25.
Yes, 25. So you use your calculator, then you count, you get the answer. You don't have to count one by one. You get me? So the way to use binom CDF is very important. Yeah. Any question on this?
Can you re-explain why 25 instead of 26?
Because I want 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This is what I want.
So the next best whole number will be 25 since you can't put 25 and something. Okay.
If I put 26, that means I take away 26. That means 26 is not. So you have to be very careful of this sign. I put equal sign, that means 26 is included. Are you clear?
Yep.
So you have to, this one you have to analyze by yourself already. Are you okay? I told you already, you better do something, because afterward, next lesson, I'm going to talk about chapter 8 already. By next week, I will finish teaching already. Then we are going to have the test. May I know Thursday? Thursday.
What date?
Thursday. May I know how is your Thursday like? The timetable? What time you end your class?
Pretty sure it's 4.
Or what time you start your class?
Pretty sure it's 9.
9. So that means 8 o'clock don't have class. Am I right?
Yes.
Aha.
No.
Oh,
Miss
why not?
Thursday.
There goes my sleep.
Thursday. Not this Thursday, okay? I'm just talking about your Thursday. So afterward, I ask the other class, how is
Miss-
their Thursday timetable?
We have 8 o'clock.